Few cars in automotive history have made as bold a statement as the 1968 Dodge Charger. Known for its iconic design and immense power, this muscle car became an instant legend. In today's video, we take you through the details that made the Charger an American classic, right here in this stunning showroom setting. Starting with the exterior, the 1968 Dodge Charger boasts a unique and aggressive design. The iconic hideaway headlights, framed by the bold chrome grille, give the Charger its unmistakable face. Every line of this car was crafted for speed and presence. Even standing still, it looks ready to race. The rear is no less striking, with the sleek, signature taillights and the Charger emblem reminding everyone of its heritage. It's not just a car, it's a statement. But what's a muscle car without the power? Under the hood lies a 440 Magnum V8 engine, one of the most formidable engines of its time. Producing 375 horsepower, this beast could roar down the track with astonishing speed and torque. The chrome details on the engine, perfectly restored, glisten under the showroom lights. This is where American engineering meets raw power. The Charger wasn't just built to look good, it was built to dominate. Step inside, and you're greeted by a blend of vintage luxury and performance. The black leather seats are a perfect contrast to the bold exterior. The classic steering wheel and retro dashboard transport you right back to the late 60s. When driving was a visceral experience. From the gauges to the chrome accents, everything inside this Charger was designed with the driver in mind. This is a car built for those who crave control and speed. The side profile of the 1968 Dodge Charger is nothing short of iconic. Its long, low silhouette, combined with polished chrome wheels, gives it an aggressive, yet elegant, stance. Every inch of this car was built for performance, with wide wheel arches and a powerful rear-drive setup. The 1968 Dodge Charger isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon. From dominating the racetrack to starring in some of the most famous car chases in cinema history, including Bullitt and the Fast and the Furious franchise, the Charger has earned its place in the annals of automotive history. As we bring our showroom tour to a close, the 1968 Dodge Charger stands as a testament to American muscle car engineering and design. A car that defined an era and continues to inspire generations of enthusiasts. The legend of the 1968 Dodge Charger lives on. 1968 Dodge Charger, classic American muscle. Subscribe for more classic car reviews.